seatbelt sign until the captain has switched it off. However, I do recommend for your comfort and for your safety, keep your seatbelt neatly fastened for the duration of this flight. For convenience, there is a call valve, reading light, and a fresh air vent in the panel just above your head. Toilets in this aircraft are located one to the forward and two to the rear of the cabin. Let me just like to remind you that Ryanair does operate a very strict no smoking flight, and our toilets are fitted with smoke detectors. Should enough, we'll pass in the cabin with our in-flight bar service, offering a wide selection of hot and cold drinks, teas, coffees, cappuccinos, hot chocolate, beers, wine, spirits, sandwiches, and we now have a wide range of hot food on board. All pricing details can be found on your in-flight menu card or in the back section of the Ryanair magazine. This will be followed by our scratch card game and a presentation of our gift items. But for now, we'd ask you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this short flight with us.